but ooh.
Rounding a corner, this rider gets an unexpected shock when a car overtaking the opposite way comes straight at him. With nowhere to go and barely any time to react, the rider is forced toward the shoulder, but he can't get there quick enough. Riding up a mountain trail, this rider nearly reaches the top. But a small ridge near the final plateau kicks the bike upward, sending him backward, with gravity now taking over. No. And with little time before he fully slides down, his friends need to act fast.
This is not good! Ah! 1, 2, 3. She is. That's where she was going.
While renting scooters abroad, these riders decide to take things off-road. And one rider sends it a little harder, catapulting gear everywhere, but somehow managing to stay upright through all the chaos. Riding with a friend, this biker watches on in disbelief as his buddy practically rides the wall. Just watch. Riding in rainy conditions always raises the risk. This rider pushes the pace a little too much and quickly learns how unforgiving those conditions can be. A reminder to ride for the weather, not the road. Dumping the clutch and accelerating too quickly, this rider learns just how fast things can go wrong when traction disappears.
Whoa, what the?
Stopped at a light, the rider on the left is suddenly struck by a white car squeezing through as he begins to run the red. As everyone in the group tries to process what just happened, the car attempts to take off. But with friends nearby ready to jump in on the action, this driver is going to have some trouble getting away. Just watch.
All that to go to Denny's.
After trying to get away, the driver still finds himself surrounded by the group of riders. And with officers already in the area, accountability is about to finally catch up to him.
Hey, get the police! Get the police! Hey! 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 Hey, that car in the white one? He hit the motorcycle right there. He's trying to take off. Camera. Wait, look. Is he trying to run to the pod? Oh, he's pulling it out. You got that on camera, right? Yeah. Oh, dude. Where'd he get you?
He clipped the whole right side, but he didn't hit. He hit my mirror. I moved over. I saw him coming up on my ass.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
To come along, man. He never shows up. But, ooh.
On a seemingly normal ride, this rider drifts just a little too wide. The rear tire touches grass, and in an instant, the bike slips out from under him. Proof that even a small mistake off the road can have big consequences.
Grass. Can you guys get that? Oh, grass.
Is he okay?
I'm good, man. I tumbled. I felt it.
What happened?
I went on the grass a little bit.
Hang on a second.
Huh?
Get back. Something's leaking in it.
Oh, man.
What happened?
This clip is a good example of why blind spots matter. Keep your eyes on the white SUV in the left lane. Speeding down a narrow street lined with parked cars like this leaves almost zero margin for error, and this rider finds out just how tight that margin really is. As he leans into the next apex, disaster strikes. Whether it was a slick spot in the road or just an aggressive lean, the bike loses grip and slides right out from under him.
That sucks.
It's a low side crash that looks nasty, but luckily, he's back on his feet.
You okay?
All good. All good. Let's just get it up.
Trying to lane split his way to the front, this rider's mirror gets caught on a loose rope hanging from a truck. What follows is an awkward and completely unintentional chain reaction.
Irmão, minha moto enroscou ali no negócio do caminhão e quebrou o freio. Mas eu vi ali, não sei se marcou, tá? Não tem problema. Tá, me desculpa.
So strong.